good set of ITBs, you're talking about $3,000 to $4,000. So listen, we got parts on top of parts on top of parts, but first we're gonna do an update video before we get to getting the parts in here. And guess what? The day has finally come. Not the main day, but a pretty good day. The car is officially a roller. Car is officially a roller. It's sitting on its own 4 wheels, one of few sets of wheels that it has. And they've done some crafty things right here to just air the bag up without putting a whole air system in, because that's still part of the build. Don't know exactly completely what we're going to do right there, but something's going to happen. As well as calipers, rotors, LS mesh wheels are not for sale, because you just always want a set of wheels. You need to just put shit on. Harry's here working diligently, making shit happen. Doing quite a bit right now. We're trying to, I guess, line up for the throttle cable situation. So yes, finishing line throttle cable will be in place, and this is going to be something we need to measure out, so that'll be cool. But as you see, the B series engine is in here, coils are in, also the top part of the plenum is in, so now you all don't have to think I have ITBs, which actually look pretty cool, but not for the price. $4,000 more for ITBs, which I've done a video on. That could be a pain in the ass to align. You're talking about 4 different throttle bodies, 4 different runners, and that whole linkage. And don't cheap out. If you're gonna do an ITB setup, I saw that Jack Spaniel racing shit, and I'm trying to tell you, it's probably gonna be a problem. But if it's not, somebody let me know below in the comment section if you've actually bought one and you actually run it. But other than that, I think they got Kinsler. 4 Pistons actually has another kit that they also sell, so you might want to try that. But I do know roughly around, if you want a good set of ITBs, you're talking about $3,000 to $4,000, and I'm not doing that shit for anything. So yes, Skunk 2 right here, but of course the plate is missing, because there will be a custom plate with my name on it, because this is my damn car. But they will still be right here unless I can change that. And it's not about the brand hating or anything like that. It's just that I'm investing a lot into this car. I've paid the price and the money for parts for this car. None of these companies, aside from companies like MPC and Finishing Line, have been constantly supporting the build. So no, I'm really not in, I don't feel any kind of way about them. Take that label off, put it on. Matter of fact, Skunk 2 didn't even accept me for their little program shit. And I bought a ton of shit from them. And I saw, no hate, but I saw some of the shit you did accept. So I'm a little about that. So anyways, it goes right here. Harry is also getting ready to, what else was it that we were doing here? It was something about, oh, the trans bracket is in as well. Shit actually worked, because Harry didn't say anything about it, so shit must be good, because if it's not, he's going to say something about it. The cowl is not on there, but you saw the picture online of the nice cowl. And the parts table is getting thinner, like a fat chick for the New Year's holidays. That's what you want, thin. Getting shit in here. Here's the new radiator system, looking all nice and black. Passenger 57, said that shit before. And there's the other one, nice and polished up. This baby will be for sale, hardly used. Probably doesn't have even 75 fucking miles on it, and that's not a lie. But yeah, there you go. So yeah, the headers are going to be for sale. We got new headers that we're going to bring in. The air tank's going to be for sale, because we got a new flow tank. There's a lot of things that are going to be for sale. And this is how you try to put money back in your pocket after spending a shit ton of money. And you're not going to get all your money back. You're not even going to get a quarter of your money back. Probably not even 15% of your money back. It's just about having some money back. Go buy you a good burger. Not McDonald's, not Burger King. I'm talking about a good ass fucking burger for like Grub Burger or something. But other than that, Harry and I are going to get these parts out. Going to run through those. But the car is a roller. Thanks to that man right there. Questioning the big calipers, not big calipers, but the calipers on these wheels. So we might have to bring out a set of AG wheels. And there was some talk about trying to push this shit out in the sun, but it's not going to happen today. You're going to have to wait for another video for that. So that's an update for the Harsh Times Techie wide body build. Peace. Thanks for tuning in and watching another video here at Wolfpack Performance. Check out some of my other content on Formula One issues, our topics, and our DIY products on how to customize your vehicle. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.